Following some feedback on using Pass the Bill in a restaurant, I've done another tutorial. In fact, I've modified it slightly and done another tutorial which shows you how to use it. So if I click on individual bills made easy, we get this wonderful page. And I'm showing this on my computer, but you can do this equally well on a smartphone or anything bigger than a tablet or a laptop or whatever you might have, or the restaurant might have. So you click on the URL there and it shows you all the passengers you've got on your trip for the day. But what if you follow example 2, which demonstrates this particular bit? For each of the passengers I've got what they've had. So Fran had a main and a pud, Chico had juice and main at £1.50 and £5.50, Carl had starter, main and brandy at £2.70, £4.75 and £2.30, and so on. The first person, because all the text above gets ignored, you probably need to write the first person stuff all in one line. So the first person on one line, starter, main and brandy, £2, £3.25, £3.75, which then looks like this on the right hand side. And you can edit this, you can play with this. So if suddenly his starter was £2,000 and that was another nought on there. John was very expensive, so if I click on the equal sign over here, or wherever you find an equal sign up there, you recalculate, and John's gone up to £56 and 25 pence. You can ignore the decimal points for pence because they're a nuisance. Just do it all in pence. So ignore the decimal points for pounds and pence, just do it all in pence. Or you can put the dots in if you can be bothered. But you're more concerned about your URL and your particular... Oh, that's a good one. Looks like you've clicked an example button, keep the bill protected, which basically means you're not going to lose it. If you click out, you've made some changes and you don't want to lose them. I do want to remove protection, so I'll go to the URL which is there. That's the one I sent you. And we don't want the driver's companion, we're not interested in the driver's companion, can pay separately. These are the passengers. So Vera P had eggs, bacon at £2.20 and £1.20. Now if I click that, it's going to mix. It will show Vera. It will show just Bako, because it will ignore, like the text up here, it will ignore Vera P, eggs and Bako. It will take Bako as the first line of importance. So for Vera P at the top, first person, we'll just say first person, and we'll just say eggs, Bako, bacon, and cross that bit up there then. Hilary B had eggs, bacon, which was £2.20, £2 then, £1.20. Janet A had main and a pud, £4.50, and a pud at £3.75, and so on. You can go down, so for each person just write what they had underneath. So if I click on equals, Hilary Vera with her brackets around it had eggs and bacon at £3.40, Hilary B eggs, bacon £3.20, Janet A main and a pud £8.25, and so on. You go down there. That shows just 3 people, a total of £14.85. But you can go back, you can add in further people. Jill J had main, pud at £5.50 and £2.45, and so on. You can go back and edit this. So Hilary B didn't have eggs and bacon, she had eggs and ham. And the ham was £2.20, not £1.20. So you can go and edit this easily. Now just recalculate, so it just shows you what the latest is down here. Now you can do this on a smartphone. You can do it on a tablet. You probably won't have with you a notepad, but you might have a small notepad with you and do it on Windows or Mac or whatever you've got. Or you could send the whole URL to the restaurant. If you click on there and copy it, you can paste this into an email and just email it to the restaurant. Now, not all restaurants, of course, have got computers, but some do. If they want to do it this way, they can help. They can put it on their till and just write in what they've got. But alternatively, you just do it on a smartphone or whatever you've got, and then you should have no fret with separate bills. You can take one bill for the lot and you can charge each person individually. It's quite easy. Thank you for watching.